Okay, first ride since I fixed it, hope I don't fall off again. Okay, we've got the GoPro Max set up back here for the 360 footage. Just started up on top of a hill because the starter motor is pretty dodgy on this thing. I think it needs a new one. But yeah, just did a test ride, first time on the open road. Brakes are alright, it got up to 100k. Don't have to go much more. So you look at the starter motor. Well, it works, but it's a bit skeptical. So this is an old mining road I'm going to go up, and it's not too busy, hopefully. And it's pretty cool up the top. Looks really stupid with that big GoPro sticking out the back, but anyway, who cares? That's full throttle. This bike actually handles really nice. It's very little, so it'd be good for a beginner, but it's not very powerful. But I guess that's what you want as a learner anyway. So far I'm quite impressed with the way it handles. It's only a Chinese bike, but wow, it just spun out of us, hit that. But it's quite grippy. The suspension's not too bad, and the brakes aren't too bad either. But I don't feel like pushing it on this thing either. I'm worried about something bad happening. I haven't gone low enough to scrape my feet yet, but I don't know if I want to. The front tyre doesn't have that much grip on it, so maybe I'll leave that. Also, this road's a little bit bumpy. Fun though. I actually took all the starter motor to bits on this bike. Thinking if I gave it a polish up it'd maybe work better, but it doesn't seem to make any difference. It still sucks. So maybe it needs a new starter motor, but maybe I'll leave that for the next owner to buy. This road's quite smooth up the top because nobody comes up here. I've been giving it a bit of a thrashing and it's staying pretty cool, so that's good. Oh, got a Ford here. Car park and stuff up here. This is the old water treatment plant for the mine that was going, Core Gold Mine. This is the GoPro back there, won't be liking this. Bumpy as. I know the mine flies their helicopter up here sometimes. Perhaps they're building up. Oh, stalled. Uh-oh. Perhaps they're building something up in the bush here with all this wood. They're exploring up in those hills up there. They found a heap of gold up there. But they're just in the process of exploring it. That was actually quite fun. Might see if I can go up some of the dirt tracks and see what's going on. What's down here, eh? Oh no! Oh, I was in the wrong gear. Oh, good one, motorbike. It's a good place to stop, isn't it? Got a hill to push it up that way and gravel up this way. Oh, I wonder if I can push it out down here. Come on, baby. Nah, it's getting worse. Way too hot to be wearing all this motorbike gear. I'll take it all off. Okay, she's not going to go. I'm going to try and push that down this little hill here. But I'm on the stone, so hopefully it's got enough grip. Second gear should do it, I think. Yay. Maybe I'll just go up this trail a little bit and see what's up there. Pretty sure there's nothing up here, but someone might open something up. Ooh, there is a trail, but I don't know if I have my chances of getting up that. I'd maybe have a go if my bike would start again, but I don't want to be stalled out in that mud. The push start works from on top of this hill. Got my gear back on now. See if we can get home before we break down. Little jump. Just slowed down to see if I was recording and it just cut out. So I'm really getting a bit worried about getting home. But yeah, this bike being a 2015 and the starter mode is already playing up. Like, it's not a very good sign, is it? And the brakes have already gotten stuck on. And its bike's not very old, eh? Yeah, see, starter won't work. Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm in first. Oh, it says the temperature's right on hot now. But I don't know how much I believe it because the gear kind of plays up all the time as well. Let's see if I can make it home. Well guys, I'm Daniel Kazinas. You've just watched another ride on the dodgy Hyosung. See you all next time. So hopefully next episode we'll be back into getting this thing running properly. See you later.